This Rule 42 that forbids the use of Páirc Uí Chaoimh for the Liam Miller charity testimonial match in September is wrong. Turner's Cross will be sold out in a matter of seconds, 7,000 capacity, the local county board, the committee and the whole of Cork, with these stars coming from United and Celtic, like please.